Hello and good day. And so this is my review on this SODAY 15-piece kitchenware set. So with this in particular, the reason why I wanted it was because I needed a new kitchen set for my kitchen, right? Just because my pots and pans, they were kind of drying out. But this in particular, it's made of premium granite, okay? It's non-stick. Don't put it in the dishwasher, by the way, but look at all the pieces that you get, all right? You get 15 different pieces. You've got some lids. You've even got some felt for the pot covers. And then you've also got two lids as well for the cooking that kind of goes on this pot and then also goes in this pot. In addition to that, you've also got these detachable handles, okay? And so these are an absolute game changer. When it comes to using them, it's super easy to use. You just press down this button to unlock and then place the detachable handle on the side, clamp it down, and there you have it. Now it's very, very secure. It's not going to fall out. And if you want to go ahead and lift up another pot, you turn this to the side, press it down. Now it's going to this pot. Same thing, and boom, there you have it. So overall, it's a really nice, neat piece of kitchenware, and with it, it's just super, super easy to clean. It's high quality. I've had no problems with it whatsoever, so check it out.